In this video, I want to show you how to project data in SAGA GIS. That is how to convert data from Geographic Coordinate System to UTM. So in SAGA GIS, I have this point data. Let me add it to the viewer interface by double-clicking it. So once I double-click it, it has been added to the data viewer interface. Now, if I come to the description, you can see the coordinate reference system here that is in Geographic. As you can see, the coordinates in decimal degree. So if I want to convert it to UTM, how do I do it? So to convert it or project it to UTM coordinate system, highlight the layer, then come to geoprocessing, then come to projection, come to UTM projection. Now, since it is a vector data, come to UTM projection shapes. Click on it. This will open this UTM projection interface. Then come to source. Click on this source and set it. When you click on it, you will see your layer here. In this case, point. Click on it. So it has been selected. Then the targets. Click here and choose create. Choose create. Then immediately you do that, it will automatically select the zone your data belongs to. So in my case, my data belongs to zone 32 north. So that is where it belongs to. So this is the zone. It will automatically display it here. Then click on OK. So when you click on OK, what it does is that it will convert it from geography to UTM and create another layer for you, which it will be labeled 2 points, the name of the layer you used. So let me click on OK and watch how it does it. So immediately I did that, you can see that it has created another layer called 2 points. So now if I click on this new layer, you can see that it has converted it to UTM. It has converted it to projected coordinate system, UTM zone 32 north. So this is how you can project your data from geographic coordinate system to projected coordinate system in SAGA GIS. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.